Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a great opening for your video, but not with the animations that provided by the Capcut. We will use the mask feature or mask tool. So how to do that? You just need to open the video, and the next thing you need to do is just go click the clip. Now take a look on this button feature, slide it into the left side until you found the mask tool. And then you just need to click the mask, and let's just use these circles. The next thing we need to do is adjusting the size of this circles. So you just need to pinch with two of your finger into the inner side to make it smaller. I'll let you go with this small. And the next thing you need to do is just go click this add keyframe. And the next thing we need to do again is just go place this straight line into the specific positions that you want to end the animation. I will let you do it this 4 seconds. And then the next thing we need to do is just go resizing the circles with two of our finger again, so that the circles is going bigger until all of the video here is just published or appear on the frame. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and here is the result. So that is the way how to create the opening for your video with the mask tool on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next